The Big Clash Game Show. It's crazy. It's wild. And it will make you smile. Manchester versus Wolverhampton. Right, so we are at today's game show. It's the first episode of the season. We've got Team Wolverhampton and Team Manchester. So what I want to do for you guys is give you more of a feel of what goes on, of how we get down and we get ready for a show. So I'm gonna do a quick run up on some of the teams. Oh, hello. Fancy seeing you guys here. Squeeze in. Welcome to Manchester. Oh, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna try and find. I'm gonna sit on you. Team in blue. Team in blue. I swear, Man United is red though. Oh, Man City's blue. Well, hello. Well, don't you guys look ready? So. I like that one. I was only with my shoulder, but it's okay. We can pretend. We can pretend I got moves. Wolverhampton was popping. You like alright, yeah? You like alright, yeah? What are these? Last year it was the eyes. This year we have. Oh my god! Come here. Look. Okay. Can we look at the mount? What did that mount do? Girl! Show thanks. Right, introduce yourself to everyone watching at home.
My name is Irina.
And you are?
The vice captain.
Lit. And what are you looking forward to today?
I'm looking forward to bowling. Yeah.
Why?
Because I feel like it's going to be quite funny to play with the whole audience being involved and throwing balls. It's going to be interesting.
My name is Dwayne Latu and I am the team captain of Team Wolverhampton.
And you've got a tooth as well?
Yeah.
You're trying to be part of it?
I wear this every day though.
Oh, every day? Mm.
You like it?
Yeah. Okay. Dwayne Latu. My name's Dwayne. Dwayne! All right, so you guys, Wolverhampton have been in the game show before. We have you, lovely rep, who's been in the show before. So you guys, I'm sure you guys know how it runs, what goes down, what is expected. Maybe I'm gonna ask you what you guys are gonna bring. I know you're gonna bring whatever you need to bring. How is this face today, this baby face, gonna help you win today's show with your team?
Oh, they've got a photo of me. They've got a photo of me, a secret photo that they got from Instagram. That team, yeah. It's from my video. I did a bit anyway. I went peng then. And I gotta admit that. But now, no, show them the middle. Let them see what I'm looking at.
See what you're working with. Yeah? Okay, no. Forget that. No, don't do that. What should Team Wolverhampton be afraid of when it comes to you guys?
Man, we got stuff they never thought of, they never dreamed of, they never even imagined. You understand? We got stuff they're not ready for. And when they see it, fear got strike them. You understand?
They have me.
Baby face, you just don't know how I like that. Okay, team captain, I'm gonna give you the final word. Look into the camera and tell Wolverhampton something in Spanish.
Solo tengo dos palabras. Tener miedo.
I'm just going to tell them, look out for the unexpected, because it's not a typical clash. It's a new season. We've had time to think about it and time to do something different and bring something different to the show. So I just told them the unexpected.
The unexpected. So that's the two teams today, Wolverhampton and Manchester. Energy is on 100. Banter is on 200. So it's going to be a very good show. I'm looking forward to it. I might drop down these stairs, but if If I don't, we shall enjoy the show. First episode of season 6, Experience It Live. I want you guys to join me on this experience, the Big Cash Game Show 2016-17, season 6, episode 1, Shane and Marie. The entrance. Wolverhampton.
What do you want for here? Go to Friday.
We've got the perfect recipe.
Good.
A fried leg of a flightless bird.
An eyelash off on a shower.
The skin of a red things.
And a sprinkle of salt.
Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google.
Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Manchester and Google. Oh, keep going. Manchester and Google. Friday! Manchester and Google. That's William.
This is crazy right here.
Hey yo, Ash, you crazy for this one?
Hey William, you've upgraded.
Don't worry, we upgraded too, man.
What do you think of TeamMCR?
So why do you give them the sweets then?
I say fine body called Amanda. I see her for the corner, I'm scared. Within her the pool, thick body make her wonder. She thinks she can handle the anaconda, so make her give her power longer, stronger. In now under, destroy the center. Give her get up a feeling that she no go remember. Give her something to taste and then she go remember. Move, handle over, inke handle over. Your friend handle over, inke handle over. Handle over, inke handle over. Your friend handle over. Inke handle over. Your friend handle over. True
Hey, oh, hey, my size. What you saying? You like the way I look though, still? You see, I got my muscles
Manchester.
yesterday. You know what I mean? Yes.
Dami Lola! Dami!
So what you saying though?
Where
You
is
good?
this boy, yo? Dami Lola.
Hey, my name's
Dami.
Dwayne. My name's
Do
Dwayne.
what?
babes.
If you don't come here, no. Before I count to 3, come. What do you mean your name is Dwayne? Come here. Eh? Because
can't be doing that, though.
Because you have started going to the gym. You're wearing tight shirts. Your muscles are showing now. You think your name is Dwayne, Abi?
Mom, I got you tattooed on me, Mom. I got you tattooed
You
on
have
me.
joined devil cult. Look at you. Covering your hands with so tattoo because you wrote my name there. Eh? You are now emo, Abi.
Mom,
God.
my name is Dwayne. My name is Dwayne.
Oluwadamilola is your name.
Mom,
That is
you
the name
can't
that
be
your
doing
father
this to
gave
me.
you on your naming ceremony.
Oh.
It is the name on your birth certificate, it's the name on your wedding certificate, and it is the name that will be on your death certificate when I'm finished with you today. Come here!
Mom, I'm 20 years old, you know.
What do you mean?
I'm
Eh?
20 years
My name
old.
is Dwayne. What's
You can't be
Dwayne?
doing
What
this,
do you know
Mom.
that's Dwayne?
Mom.
What's Dwayne?
Nah, this is a story all about how Team Wolves got flipped, turned upside down. Now I'd like to take a minute, just chill, kick back. I'll tell you how Manchester wins the big clash. 0161, some girls and guys came together and became the five. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and bantering rules outside the school. In a group of idiots were up to no good. Started making trouble in our neighborhood. We got in one big clash and they got scared and ran off back to Wolverhampton in fear.
Right, boy, TeamMCR, you know.
Hey. Like who, what, where? Nah, but who, where? Like where? How do we get right there? Like nah. Who and what and where? Who and what and where? What, where? What, where? Like who, what, where? Nah, but who, where? Like where? How do we get right there? Like nah. Who and what and where? Who and what and where? What, where? What, where? Wait, hold up, let me roll up. Who and what and where?
Catch me outside, how about that?
Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a beautiful princess.
Wow, no, we're not really going to do this fairy tale.
Hey, I thought it was going to work like...
No, because if we're going to do that, first we've got to start off with the prince, obviously.
Oh,
dark skin, chocolate, 6'3".
6'3"?
Yeah.
Boy, you're like 5'10".
Oh, man, no, but really, though, what are we really going to do for this intro?
I don't even know. Maybe like, probably going to have to do like dancing and that.
What, like a little takeover?
Oh, you really don't have to do pinger and all that dancing. Oh.
Therefore, so what? Should we just like roll on?
What are you telling me? Pop up!
What, Jack in the box?
Bam!
Ding!
Bam!
Ding!
Bam!
Ding!
Bam!
I'm joking.
What are you telling them? Little music for them?
Little time?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, cool. I DJ DNA. Might as well run that.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the OV. I used to move snowflakes by the OZ.
I say fine body called Amanda. I see her for the corner, I'm scared. Within her the pool, thick body make her wonder. She thinks she can handle the anaconda. So make her give her power longer, stronger. In now under, destroy the center. Give her get up a feeling that she no go remember. Give her something to taste and then she go remember. Move.
If she rude like a child and she a get wild, then you fi scold her. Give her the other, give her the other. She want the other, she get the other. Give her. If she rude like a child and she a get wild, then you fi scold her. Give her the other, give her the other. She want the other, she get the other. Give her the other. She likes the other, she get the other.
Okay, welcome to the Big Clash Game Show.
Yeah.
So I will be your host with the most.
Yes.
Whitney Vanaya.
Can we get a round of applause for her? Beautiful. And also myself, Mr. Alvin.
Make some noise.
Yeah. Alright, so what? Should we find out who's in the building?
Let's find out who is in the building.
Yeah, Wolverhampton, make some noise.
Okay.
Yeah. Inside.
But I think we're live right now in Manchester, so MCR, make some noise.
Okay.
I think it's safe to say that MCR are here.
Balling. How good are you with a ball in your hand? Your team must get as many balls into the bucket before time runs out. Let's see which team is really balling out of control.
Up in wet, away you want it. Up in wet, away you want it. Up in wet, up in wet, up in wet. Tell her where you want it. Up in wet, away 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 you want it. Up in wet, up in wet, up in wet. Tell her where you want it. Up in wet, away you want it. Up in wet, away you want it. Up in wet, up in wet, up in wet. When me touch her, she ball out. When me touch her, she ball out. Tell her where you test me for. You think see me easy? You know easy.
Oh my days. What is that tune? DJ, can you play my tune? Teams will be given 30 seconds to create an improvised scene relating to a scenario given by the Big Clash game show.
Blame it on the goose, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drone, got you feeling gone. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking. Alright. Oh Lord, 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 Lord. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and you see.
Celebrity. For those who don't know, introduce yourself.
My name is David, aka Droid. Don't know. Yems and Droid, Wavy Gang, Big Clash champion, season 4. We don't talk too much, innit? TeamMCR, don't know.
So I've just realised I'm standing in the middle of 2 opposing teams. You're wearing blue. You are wearing red. But who are you here to support today?
Team Wolves.
Manchester. TeamMCR, obviously.
How are they doing so far?
Well, Wolverhampton, we're going to win. We're doing set goods.
Rah. I like that one.
From what I've seen, they're actually doing so well. They're holding it down. They're doing me proud. They're holding it down. You get me? Yeah, man. They're holding it down, man.
All that bass. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so he is your crepe to your Conan.
He's the crepe to my Conan.
The crepe to your Conan. All right. How you finding the show so far?
Yeah, it's good, it's live, yeah. I like the atmosphere, it's nice. Yeah.
Is this your first show today?
Yeah, this is my first time.
How are you enjoying it so far?
I mean, it's quite good.
It's been fun so far. It's our first Big Clash, so all good.
Your first time here at the Big Clash?
Yeah.
First time for everyone?
Yeah.
First time, wow. So what's been your favourite part of today's show so far?
I think the intros were really fun. They were really interesting. And both teams actually came up with really cool creative stuff. But obviously Manchester's was better. The question round was a bit tight, but I think we came through. So yeah, we're looking forward to the rest of the evening. It's been fun so far.
What are we looking forward to for seeing from today's show?
Dance like me. Dance like me. I don't know, I'm curious to see what both teams have brought out, really and truly.
I heard Wolves are mad, so I want to see the madness, but I heard it like Coventry last year, so it depends, we'll see.
Me, I'm looking forward to everything. I'm prepared for everything. Tag me mostly, because I might participate. I'm just waiting for the bashment. Yeah?
So that's your favourite genre, bashment? What's your favourite bashment song?
Tick, tock, tick, tack, tick, tack, tick, tack. Fever by Vibes Cartel.
So are you going to guys take part during Tag Me or any of the audience games, maybe?
Perhaps. If the vibe catches us, we may perhaps go.
So if you do take part in Tag Me, what will be your step out song? You'll hear it and you're like, yep, cool, this is me, my time.
Fever by Vibes Cartel.
I'm just so happy. Cartel Fever.
Free Will Boss.
Lads, okay, describe the game show for me using the game show using a trainer.
I did the superstars. That's what the Big Clash does, you know. It actually changed people to superstars, but they don't know it yet.
Describe the game show for me in one word.
They were bountiful.
Fun. Wild.
I'll say lit. Yeah.
Liddy again.
How well do you know?
What colour is the can of Coke Life?
Green.
Who is the author of the book Noughts and Crosses?
Mallory Blackman.
Who is the current mayor of London?
Sadiq Khan.
Pesto sauce originates from what country?
Italy.
Chance the Rapper was born in which state of the USA?
Illinois.
Is that a pass or MC?
Illinois.
What is the sum of 10 times 15 divided by 6?
$8.50.
What singer sang the theme song for Kim Possible?
Christina Milian.
Which car company uses 4 rings as their logo?
Audi.
Name the person who narrates the TV series Planet Earth.
David Attenborough.
Who was swallowed by the fish in the Bible?
MC. Let's put it
Jonah,
down.
John, Elijah.
Elijah.
Bedrock is the home of which cartoon family?
The Flintstones.
What is the price of a chicken mayo from McDonald's?
99p. Write it down.
What are the names of the 3 members of Migos?
Quavo. Offset. Take off.
What is the actual name of the tip of the shoelace?
Aglet.
In 2016, what film did Nicki Minaj feature in?
MC.
Barbershop 2, Barbershop 3, Barbershop 4.
Barbershop 3. Mm-hmm.
Finish the title of the film Snakes on a...
MC.
Train, plane, car.
Plane.
In EastEnders 2015, which member of the Cotton family went to prison?
MC.
Dot, Nick, Charlie.
Nick.
In what year was Hollyoaks first broadcasted?
MC.
1995, 1996, 1997.
95.
The TV show Sixth Sense is an original on which TV network?
4.
And time. Round of applause.
2, 4, 6, 8 are what type of numbers?
Even numbers.
What is a third of 30?
10.
What's the calculation to figure out pi?
3.14 squared.
What is the sum of numbers 1 to 10?
MC.
53, 55, 57.
55.
In a right angle triangle, the longer side opposite the right angle is called?
The opposite.
What is 10 to the power of 5 divided by 1,000?
MC.
1, 10,000, 100.
1.
Well, look who it is. Look who it is. Mr. Slits.
Yeah.
Legend in this big clash game. How are you?
How you doing? You all right?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. Have you been seeing the clash?
Yeah.
Who you think is winning? It's some way. It's looking some way, innit?
I'm not too sure.
Yeah, fam.
It's one or the other.
Yeah. Come here. All right. So first of all, yeah.
Right.
Now, who are you?
Hmm?
Who are you?
You know I am.
No, but do you feel like you lot are doing justice right now?
Yeah, I know that we're doing better though. You like that?
There was hair in it.
Oh, see? We're doing better than Manchester.
Me, I'm neutral, innit? I feel some type of way.
Okay, so give him some advice for the last couple games.
Alright, so bro, what I'm gonna say to you is, you see for the dance like me, that's your thing. You understand what I'm trying to say? You need to shine, bro. You understand what I'm trying to say? My brother can't dance. You understand? So
You're who?
no one.
Your brother?
No.
Your brother's in Manchester's team?
I don't have a brother.
Who's your brother in the team?
No, I'm very proud of him. Hey, listen. He's the goofy one, man. Who you reckon my brother is?
I love him.
Yeah, he's alright.
She's cute. I might go and have a chat with someone, see what's popping. Oh, hi, Freddie. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. Who are you supporting today?
Man City or Manchester, MCR.
What was your name?
Morgan.
Where are you from?
Chicago, actually. I'm studying abroad here this semester.
Chicago. International, baby. Okay. Have you seen The Big Clash before?
No, not at all. This is my first show.
First time, first viewing, first everything. Yeah? And what do you think so far?
It's really cool the fact that you guys can like travel all around England and UK and really integrate people. It's really cool.
What's been your favourite part so far of the game show?
The knowledge section, just seeing people kind of crack down under pressure.
How well do you know? So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you come back and say hello to Chicago for me. So we've seen a lot of MCR supporters. I'm gonna try and cross the border. What are your names?
Janae.
Janae and?
Christiana.
Lovely name. Lovely. Who's supporting today?
Wolves, 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 Wolves.
How are Wolves doing so far today?
They're banging. They're banging. They're banging. Better. We could do better, but we're doing all right.
So positive so far. Positive. Yeah. Well, have an amazing show. I'm gonna take you out to whatever you was doing before I interrupted you. Enjoy the show. I'm gonna go. Hi. What's your name?
Fortune.
Fortune. Oh, I saw. Oh, yeah. That's why I came really. I saw Fortune. I thought, all right, might be a bit interesting. Who are we supporting today?
Money.
Manchester. So I tried to find Wolves, but they're everywhere. Manchester are. How's the show going so far for you?
Yeah, it's alright. I came late though. I can't lie, I came late.
We got 2 games left. Dance Like Me and Tag Me. Do you know those games? What's your favourite one out of the 2 games?
Dance Like Me. Because man can, you know.
Oh, you can do a little something.
Yeah.
That was good. Well, enjoy the show and keep your eyes to yourself, like I know you will.
Hey guys, Manny Nobeard here, engagement supervisor for the Big Clash Game Show. We're in season 6, Experience It Live tour. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the videos.
Dance Like Me.
Make some noise for Wolverhampton.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes. Beans, greens, potatoes, greens, potatoes, beans, beans, beans.
Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler.
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body.
SARRRRRRRRNT. Soft.
I'm dead for today. Nah. I walk a lot for the Saturdays. Yeah, right now I'm on a holiday. Yeah, free and fly away. Yeah, baby girl can cool me down. Don't stop, I'm on a holiday. Yeah, I wanna free my mind and go away. Yeah, free me, fly away. Yeah, oh my girl can cool me down. Wine like this, give me that thing, so wine like this, give me that thing, so give me that thing, girl. Wine like this,
But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope so she sabi kukuwache. Hope your love go sweet past the sheet up. Baby girl, I say your body na killer, oh. Oh, yeah, I get it tired of your body, oh, only on your body.
They call me Irie, other girls better come follow me, come follow me, come follow me. Who? Hush, better come follow me. Hush, you better come follow me. I said I'm coming out.
I say fine body call Amanda. I see her for the corner, I'm scared. Within her the pool, thick body make her wonder. She thinks she can handle the anaconda, so make her give her power longer, stronger. In her under, destroy the center. Give her get up a feeling that she no go remember. Give her something to taste and then she go remember. Move, handle over, inke handle over. Your friend handle over, inke handle over.
Oh, this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you older say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
Certified. You will never be disappointed if you come here for wings. Guaranteed.
Alright, chicken and bread. Chicken and bread. Chicken and bread. When me say me want chicken and bread. Alright, 1, 2, 3, easy. Watch the way that gal a bubble and a tease me. That gal a try extra hard just to please me. She want me. Alright.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Don't provoke me to anger, or else you be in danger.
Mama told me, not to say word. Mama 17, 5, same color t-shirt, white. Mama told me, not to say word. Mama 17, 5, same color t-shirt.
Manchester, Manchester, Wolverhampton.
We are going to fry them. We are going to fry them.
Book of Revelation, chapter 7, verses 16 and 17. Yes, sir. They shall hunger no more, neither shall they thirst anymore. Preach, preacher. For God shall wipe away, yes, sir, every tear from their eye. Yes, sir. Get ready for the revolution. What you say now?
Tag me. Funny hell. Think it's full. Oh my god. That's my baby. Caroline, you divine. Mighty fine. Shut it pretty. What a pie. Like a pro. Fuck you, God. Holy shit. I'm lit. It's looking. Switch.
So full of energy, swollen. Run dry, water like water. If she roll like a child and she a get wild, then if it's swollen. Give her the other. She want the other. She get the other. Give her the other. She asks the other. She get the other.
Spot.
Switch.
Say fine body got Amanda. I see her for the corner. I'm scared. Within the pool, thick body make her wonder. She thinks she can handle the anaconda. So make her give her power longer, stronger. In her hand, destroy this. If I get up a feeling that she no go remember. Give her something to taste and then she go remember.
Switch. Switch.
Spider-Man and freezing full of fight. I'm ready. I'm ready, Snake. Are you? Girl, I must know. I sense something strange in
Spot.
Switch.
Dancing style all outdated like Tinga. Ting dang, come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the right and snap your finger. No linger, no linger. Dancing style all outdated like Tinga. Come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot
Switch.
to the right.
1v1.
Chap in a bando, I don't wanna look like.
Switch.
Chap in a bando, I don't wanna look like you. Chap in a bando, I don't wanna look like. Chap, look like you. No, I don't wanna look like you. Look like you. Chap in a bando, I don't wanna look like. Chap in a bando, I don't wanna look like you.
Spot.
Switch.
You know that it's on the furnace, but bitch, you beat you. I can watch you, but you know beat you, running for wildin'. Kill everybody walking. You know that it's on the furnace.
Switch.
Do the gully creeper. People who no see that you sing, you not senorita. Walk out when you hear the beat up right there. Gully creeper. Bend your back, move up your shoulder, move your foot, them like a roller. Make up your feet just like a creature. Then you do the gully creeper. Gully getting deeper on the hill, them getting steeper on the dancing getting sweeter.
And that is time.
And that is game.
The entrance goes to Team MCR. How well do you know? It goes to Team Wolves. Okay. So when it come to DJ play my tune, it goes to the home team MCR. And when it came to dance like me, who do you think won? It goes to Team Wolves. And the winner of season 6.
The first show goes to
No, you say it yourself, I can't. Team
MCR.
Shit that you already
be clapping.
clapping. Get that sauce, spill that motherfucking joint, you feel me? See, biz, trust, yeah. Get the cocaine out the foil, bring the water to a boil. I'm whipping my wrist in the coil, I'm spilling sauce like it's oil. All of my niggas are loyal, no extortion, they're spoiled.
You guys all I do best. Yep, alright. Team, every time I put plastic on my, in the kitchen with it. Alright, Team MCR have won today's show, the first show of Season 6, MCR versus Wolves. MCR taking the crown. Princess, the referee for today, the deciding person. How was it, the show today?
Yeah, today was really good actually. First day back. A lot to expect. Well, a lot happened today. I don't know what
What's your favourite part? Your experience at live moment of today's show?
My favourite part was Manchester chicken and bread.
Chicken and bread. Dashing out food like it's nothing. All right, again, thanks, Princess. You're a star at what you do. This season, she will be judging you lot. She wants to see some. What do you want to see? Some?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. W-O-W-U.
Wow.
You, not
wow.
No, it's not wow.
Wow. Wow. Is that our song?
No, wow.
Okay, forget it. I don't know. Anyways, right. I'm going to chat to the teams in a minute once they do what they're doing. So we'll just have a little bitches of what's going on right now, and I'll be back. Season 6, Episode 1, Team MCR versus Team Wolverhampton. Lads and ladies, how was the show today for you guys?
Well, I enjoyed it. I think it was really good. Like, we worked well as a team. Like, we're all new people to this, so
yeah, it was a good experience, man. Like, I advise people to do this, innit, because it makes you come out your show. Like, Irina was so shy at the start, but she became a better person. Like, I know, got to understand her character.
Winners! Guys, well done. You came, shut down again, right? I'm going to ask you, what's your favourite part of today's show? Your favourite part?
Obviously, it was entrance because we won it and we knew we were going to come and win it. Obviously, I'm losing my voice still, not going to lie.
It happens, it's fine. Come here. I must say, even my favourite person from ever at the Big Clash is you. But don't get gassed though. You were amazing today, I must say. Very funny guy. Also, who's your brother?
My brother is Mr. Slits, officially Slits, Twitter famous, Vine famous, at least me. I'm house famous. My mom loves me.
One last word for your experience today during the Big Clash.
Stigidonial.
Wavy.
Once in a lifetime. Competitive.
I was wicked.
Blessed. Cheese. Ngongolo, Manchester Ngongolo.
Not gonna lie, it's been emotional.
All right, I'm out the building. I'll be back for the next episodes. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Team MCR, Team Wolves. Very exciting show today. Very eventful show. Martin, come here. Hiya, you're right. This is Martin, everyone. Martin, what was your experience at Live Moment today?
Oh damn, put me on the spot. Oh, mad. Hey, man. What was the EIL moment today? What was the best moment today? I can't lie, the entrance kind of wavy, the pot thing. I like the pot thing. I can't lie.
Entrance.
Go, Manchester, go. Manchester, go.
What does that mean?
I don't know. And then Manchester came with no weapon forced on against me, shall prosper. Are you mad? Kurt Franklin. Okay.
Everyone wants to wind up, so we need to get off the stage. So we're out. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Hey, how much was your trim?
29
bucks.
The man them here at the Backlash. The man them. All right, we're going. Lock it off now because social have to run. Everyone has to get wind up. Everybody has to get bad. We're out.
Hey, Mr. Mac.
Hey, listen to what I'm saying right now.
I said, I'm gonna go Amanda. I see you for the corner, I'm scared. We did it the whole day, took away, make a wonder.
Hey, listen, we're here with the winner. You're the captain. Episode 1. What?
Team Wolves, TeamMCR, they're winning. Shout out Aston as well, you know, RG. Shout out Cookies, Dano, shout out Shayna, shout out Whitney, shout out Alvin, you know, shout out Raz. Let's just shout out everybody. Why are you taking my camera time? You won, and then she's taking camera time.
Hey, say, what?
The two lovely ladies in the big clash. How do you think the clash went today?
I think it's amazing, no? Do you want my job or what?
Why not?
I